Hello guys, how you doing? Thank you for tuning in to my video. I am getting ready to lift my hair. It's been probably 2 years since I lifted my hair, so my hair is pretty much virgin again. So my hair has grown out quite a bit because I've been rocking the mohawk. I know I've been gone for quite a while, y'all. I will make another video talking about that. But I just wanted to come on here and share with you guys how I'm about to lift my hair up. So I cut my sides 2 days ago, and I've been trying not to scratch in my hair. I just been massaging it when it itches. So I'm going to show you guys what I'm going to be using. I normally use the Bright White by Ionic, which is this. It lifts up to 8 levels, but today I'm going to use the powder, which is the Chi. You have to be licensed professional to get this. You might be able to get it online without having a license, but when I tell you, be careful if you're not licensed, because this stuff is extremely strong and it moves pretty fast. It's a blue powder and it tones and lifts just as well, okay? It lifts and tones at the same time. It says formulated with silk protein, so I've been using this for probably like the last 3 years. I really love this stuff. It moves really fast, okay? So you have to be careful. I'm also going to be using my scalp protector. I haven't thought about which one I'm going to do. I don't know if I'm going to do the Comfort Care or if I'm going to do the Ion Scalp Protector. I'm not sure, but I'm going to be doing one of those and I'll show you. I'm going to be using 2 of these boosters. Absolute Perfection Booster Step 1. It's kind of like a dupe for Olaplex. You can get all this stuff that I have right now. You can get at Sally's, except for this. You can only get this at a licensed professional store. Like I said, you might be able to find it online. I'm not sure. I also have my gloves right here. I have my processing comb. I'm going to use this to comb through the hair. I have my little whisk to mix everything. I'm going to use this for close to the scalp. And then I have my bowl. Instead of using a regular processing bowl, this is going to save me a lot of time and effort because I'm not going to waste any product and it's going to be enough for my hair. Now I plan on starting out with 4 ounces, but I might have to end up using 6 because my hair has grown out quite a bit. And I have these 2, but I don't know which one I'm going to use yet, but so that's what I'm going to be using. I also have some other products that I would love to show you guys, but I'll show you guys that stuff in a little bit. So I'm going to go ahead and go get my coconut oil so I can start finger combing through my hair, put it all through my hair before I start to process it, and I will show you guys my hair. So if you want to see how I lift and tone my hair, stay tuned, keep watching. Alright, so I'm done with the re-bleaching and everything. And I normally wouldn't re-bleach twice in a day. But because I saw how light my sides got, and I forgot to use the 40, I was running my mouth on the phone to somebody and ended up using the 30 again. But that's okay because it still did lighten up quite a bit, as you can see. And my curls didn't get too loose, you know what I'm saying? Which I'm kind of glad I didn't use the 40, but they did get a lot looser, but that's okay. So we're going to go in with this protein treatment right here. I don't know if you can really see that, but we're going to go in. I'm going to go in with my gloves because I don't really want to get it. So you're supposed to get it all over the hair. And then you're supposed to comb it through. And you're supposed to, I don't really like combing my hair through without conditioner around there. So I kind of want to go in and put a little coconut oil on there. Just kind of rub it through all the way. I don't want to put a lot of it on there, but I did want to go in there with a little bit of coconut oil. Because my hair, I have not put conditioner on it. I put the color treatment on there, the cheek color treatment on there again. But as you can see, it got a whole lot lighter than what it was. So I'm pleased with that. So I'm going to go in with this repair solution. So I am completely done with the protein and moisturizing treatment. And this towel is going to be so wet when I'm done. It might take 2 days. So it did make a big difference with my curls. It did bring them back. Like, boom, pow, baby, here we are. Especially with the tighter sections of my hair. It was already tightly curled, like right in here and in the middle. So those curls look perfect, but it all looks good. Alright, you guys, so I'm done with everything, and I was thinking that because when I rinsed my hair out, I used some water that was a little bit too warm, and I felt like it didn't, take, but it did tone it. It toned it quite a bit. I feel like if I probably would have left it on there a little bit longer, it would have toned it a little bit more. But I just left it on there. I was in the shower. I didn't want to have to get out the shower and do anything. So I was thinking about using my Fanciful White Minx, but it said you have to blow dry. I don't feel like doing none of that again. So I'm just going to put my leave-in conditioner on my hair. And I'm just going to call it a night because I'm tired. And I got to get some sleep because I got to get up and I got to leave out of here at like 8:30 or 9:30 so I can go somewhere. I gotta be somewhere, so I'm not gonna do my white mix today. I'll probably do that another day and show y'all. But it did tone it. It toned it quite a bit, as you can see. It toned it really, really good. So I'll probably use the toner again. You know what I'm saying? Probably in some days, but it did tone it. And like I said, I'm pleased with it. I'm pleased with the results. I don't have any problems with it, and I'm glad I did mix that blue in there because it did cancel out a lot of that yellow. So I got another video I'm gonna come on here with an in-depth about lifting hair, lightening hair, the shampoos, another video about the different shampoos you can use, another video about the different lock-in treatments you can use, another video about the different toners you can use and stuff like that. So you guys, I thank you very much if you stuck through all the videos and you watched. Rate, comment, and subscribe. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think about my technique. And share this video, you guys. Share it on Facebook, Instagram, whatever, wherever y'all share it at. Share the video. And yeah, share the videos, y'all. And let me know what y'all think. So until next video, I will see you guys on my next. Have a good morning.